Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Zcash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Zcash has recently broken out a rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that now after the breakout, it is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $450 and also trying to break out this resistance, a very long-term uptrend line resistance. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and for a while again re-entered the wedge here, then got rejected, almost got rejected by this uptrend line resistance, then again re-entered the wedge. Now again moving above the resistance. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price line is almost getting accumulated above the resistance of the wedge. And in today's video, I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 day time frame chart from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, before back in 2023 and 2024. And I was telling you that after the breakout, our target will be somewhere between 400 to $500. And so far, you can see that the price has rallied up to $485. We have almost touched the $500 target. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared almost a week ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 41% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. Then first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 28th of October 2025. And that was a bullish reversal setup, a bullish back move that Zcash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that price line moved slightly down in this potential reversal line here. However, it covered back, then we had a nice rally here, and then we had a bigger pump as well. Before that, in the month of September 2025, we caught almost 676%, very, very massive rally. And this signal I shared on 19th of September 2025, and it was completing the final leg of a bullish Gartley move on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the final leg, and entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far, it has rallied more than 676%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And first of all, let me show you this breakout from this wedge that I have been showing you, by the way, this wedge even before the breakout when it was moving inside this smaller wedge within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And our technical target that I've been telling you was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. And you can see that we have almost achieved that target. For so far, it has rallied almost up to $485. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, first, we will need to break out this long-term resistance that was, by the way, found here in the month of May 2024. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now for the past few days, it is starting to break out this resistance. And now if we take a look at the expected target for the breakout from this wedge, that expected target, as per this measurement, will be here. That will be approximately somewhere between $750 to $800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.